for real, no cap. Head like a cinderblock, chest all trap. He grip the board like vicegrip steel. You hear the squeal, then you know the kill real. No leash, no chill, no bark, be fake. This the kind dog make the jungle shake. Hey, in the kiawe, blood on the fang. Come too close, you gon' hear that bang. Kind dog, big kind ball. Stand on the porch like he on them walls. Snarl like thunder, stare like death. Try sneak in, you gon' lose your breath. He want guard and soldier bread. Catch pig in the go sleep under my bed. Raised in the lava, trained in the dark. Mean kind dog with the coldest heart. Chain on the neck, but he never need lock. He the kind of dog make crooks just walk. He know the land, he smell the field. One wrong move, man, disappear. Local bloodline, no mainland clone. Grown in the rock, this island is throne. Talk stink about piss, bro, check your mouth. He lower, he gon' rip if you running your route. Mean kind dog, big kind bite. Foam in the jaw, ready for fight. Circle the pin like it's smelling sin. Try reach for my gate, that your last win. He no toy, no leashed up clown. He hunt, he guard, he hold the crown. Alpha dog, made for the grind. Mean kind dog, got the heart in his spine. Pitbull pride, all muscle, no fear. You calling cops, too late, he already here. Boar slayer, yard keeper, street king. He the last thing you see when the doorbell ring. So if you see the eyes glowing in the night, and you feel the growl deep inside your life, better back off, he the watchdog of the guys, and he no bark twice. Yeah, I'm mean kind dog, big kind dog. I'm mean kind dog, big